Water, the essence of life. Next to the oxygen you breathe, nothing else on earth is more essential to your good health and longevity than fresh, clean drinking water. Drinking the recommended 8 glasses of water a day helps to prevent such physical ailments as fatigue, hypertension, asthma, and back and joint pain. And people who drink filtered water are significantly less likely to contract serious illnesses, including many forms of cancer. But what if, despite your best efforts to stay hydrated and live well, you and your family are still being exposed to hidden toxins in your home, school, or place of business? How would you know? More than 30 years after the passage of the Federal Safe Drinking Water Act, toxic dumping, varying municipal treatment methods, and outdated water delivery systems remain a problem in much of the developed world. From big cities to rural communities, your drinking water is susceptible to a variety of chemicals, parasitic cysts, and dangerous heavy metals before it ever reaches your tap. The Environmental Protection Agency does a good job protecting you from many of the dangerous contaminants that appear in our drinking water. But the truth is, the EPA has identified thousands of chemicals and contaminants that may be found in our water supply, yet only requires the testing of fewer than 100 of these known pollutants. For the many people who understand the potential danger in tap water, they often turn to bottled water as a solution. But bottled water may simply be common tap water that's been processed and repackaged. And bottled water can be expensive in comparison, sometimes costing more than the price of a gallon of gasoline. There's simply got to be a better way to water.
For more than 3 decades, Muti-Pure Drinking Water Systems, the premier manufacturer of high-quality water filtration devices, has been committed to producing products that reduce the widest range of potentially dangerous contaminants. They provide millions of customers with the healthiest, most enjoyable water available at an affordable price. When you use a Muti-Pure Drinking Water System in your home or office, you'll be guaranteed nothing less than refreshing, safer water the first time, every time. Muti-Pure is your better way to water. How do we know? NSF International is a not-for-profit organization that provides fair, objective, and unbiased information about many products on the market that impact the safety of your water.
If a product has been certified by NSF, that means that the product claims have been verified and that the product has met strict NSF standards. In the case of drinking water treatment products, NSF certifies that the system meets contaminant reduction claims of the manufacturer, the system does not add harmful substances to the water, the system is structurally sound, and the literature and labeling is not misleading. NSF even conducts annual unannounced inspections to confirm the manufacturing processes. Look for the NSF seal and review the list of contaminants the drinking water system is certified to reduce. Some reduce only 1 or 2 contaminants, while others are certified to reduce many more contaminants, including chlorine, lead, and disinfection byproducts.
Although chlorine is recognized as a beneficial disinfectant in the water treatment process, it has an extremely foul taste and odor, and it has its own potential health hazards. Chlorine is known to react with organic substances found in most water supplies. This reaction creates cancer-causing compounds known as disinfection byproducts. Muti-Pure eliminates chlorine's unpleasant taste and odor, and is certified by the NSF to reduce trihalomethanes and other disinfection byproducts. Lead is one of the most widespread contamination issues in the U.S. It's known to cause damage to the nervous system and the kidneys, and is highly toxic to children and pregnant women. Drinking water filters using Muti-Pure's carbon block technology were the first to be NSF certified for lead reduction. Muti-Pure systems also reduce MTBE, a potentially dangerous gasoline additive that dissolves easily in water. Thousands of documented leaking gasoline storage tanks throughout the country make it likely that MTBE has contaminated our public water systems and private drinking wells. And Muti-Pure was the first drinking water filter to be NSF certified for the reduction of arsenic-5, a naturally occurring toxin that has been linked to cancer, nervous system failure, heart disease, and skin irritation. In fact, Muti-Pure was the first and is still the only manufacturer of filtration devices certified under Standard 53 for arsenic-5 reduction. And in addition to being the first in the water filtration industry to reduce arsenic-5, Muti-Pure has been a leader in the removal of asbestos and parasitic cysts, and is one of the few manufacturers of products that reduce chloramines, toxaphene, chlordane, and PCBs.
Muti-Pure's drinking water filters achieve this industry-leading performance because of the high quality of its carbon block manufacturing. Ideally, a carbon block filter has millions of tiny pores where the filtration process takes place. Smaller, more consistent pores provide better filtration.
In this demonstration, compressed air shows how water flows through the carbon block's pores. Muti-Pure's unique carbon block filters are composed of a dense core that forces every molecule of water through microscopic pores of cleansing carbon. Other manufacturers have larger, inconsistent pores that reduce the quality of the filtration, and some parts of the carbon blocks are bypassed completely. Muti-Pure Drinking Water Systems comply with regulations in all states.
From its corporate headquarters in the Las Vegas Technology Center in Nevada, Muti-Pure manufactures and distributes solid carbon block filters and water treatment devices for homes and businesses across the globe. Muti-Pure drinking water systems are used by hospitals, universities, office buildings, and most importantly, in millions of homes just like yours. With no wasted water, no electricity required, and no removal of the essential trace minerals beneficial to your good health, Muti-Pure is quite simply the most efficient and most effective water contaminant removal system available.
Other water filtration systems are expensive, inconvenient, and only protect against a small number of harmful chemicals and contaminants. Don't be fooled by fancy ad campaigns or slick packaging. Few choices in life are more important to your health than the water you drink. For superior technology, cost, and convenience, Muti-Pure provides fresh, clean drinking water for you and your family, the first time, every time. Switch from tap water and bottled water to a Muti-Pure drinking water system today, and do away with high costs, inconvenience, storing and discarding plastic bottles, and possible contamination. Only Muti-Pure provides reliable protection for your family's drinking water, a variety of below-the-sink and countertop models, ease of installation, extremely low maintenance costs, and an outstanding warranty on the system housing, combined with a full 30-day money-back guarantee.
Join the millions of satisfied Muti-Pure customers around the world and take the next step to healthier living with a Muti-Pure system of your own.
To promote a long and healthy life for you and your loved ones, Muti-Pure simply is the better way to water.